Hello. After you successfully download our extension, you need to navigate over to the GoTo Account Manager tab, which is going to be on the top navigation. If it doesn't show up for you, just hit the three dots and you should be able to find it. For me, it's already there. So I click on that and I had to activate my account. So you just need to click Add Account and go through the process of logging into your own account for GoTo Connect. Then once that's done, you want to hit the pencil icon and make sure that you selected all your phone numbers. Well, not all your phone numbers. You need to select one phone number. Basically, if you leave this empty, it will not work. So you want to select the phone number and then save. Once that's done, you have configured the extension and you're free to send text messages. So you want to go over to your leads. I'm going to go over to, I was testing some Canvas. So let's go back to the normal view. Here you could go look for a button that's going to say GoTo SMS on the top. So now you are inside of text messaging. And now that's all it takes to send a text message to the phone number, or you could navigate over to the mobile, although this lead doesn't have a mobile number. So when I receive this text message, I could reply. And I just sent it. It'll take a second or two for it to appear on the screen. There it is. Reply back, and that's how that works. All the messages are logged into the GoTo Connect extension and also into the relayed list. You could actually add more columns with a column builder. Like that maybe. So now I could see all the text messages, who it was sent to, maybe the from field, see if it's in or outbound, when it was sent. And you could also use the relayed list widget. So you could actually text back and forth here. Templates. You also could create templates that are reusable easily. So you want to click the plus sign, you get over to the GoTo Templates module, which is also reachable if you just go into your navigation. If you don't see it up here, you go down here. You want to click the template editor up top right. Then you have merge fields. So you want to make sure you select which module this template is going to be used at. In this case, I want to use it at the leads and say, I want to send this text message every time I hang up the phone with somebody, for example. Nice talking to you. You could use all the merge fields you want that exist in a lead module and create that template. So when you go and want to text a contact and you want to use a message that is often used, then you could just click here. So first of all, you want to click the icon, or you want to use the use. So if you want to take a look at it or you want to use it. Okay, what happened here? Let's just check it out. Well, this lead may not have a first name. Let's see. Oh yeah, it has a first name. Let's go back. I just want to edit one thing. Yeah, that's fine. So now we're going to use this text message. Oh, that's what we want to do here, is use it. So Yeah, first name is our first name. So there, it merged all the fields. You could also view it and then show how it's gonna merge the text, then use it. So you could do that, and then you could send the text message out. So that's for reusable templates. The GoTo SMS module, which is this, is also sending text messages if you just create a record. So just by creating a record, you could actually send a text message. Let's see if it works like this. It might not. No, I have to add the phone numbers. So this is just, the only reason this exists is for workflows, and I want to show that next. So there's not much use to this, but I just wanted to make sure everyone knows that this exists. So you could do this and it will send the text message out. But what you really want to do is create workflows, which is cool. So if you create the workflow, so I'm going to create a workflow for leads. And then what I want to do is create the record. And I want to pick the GoTo SMS module. I'm going to create a name, and I could use merge fields here. So texting, and use the person's phone number, logged in user, and I'm going to say to their phone number from my phone number, which will be filled into my user profile. I'll show that next. Maybe texting. And then I also want to probably link it to my lead, so we know that this has gone out. So let's go look at that. So what I want to do first, I want to go to my user profile. I want to fill in my phone number as my GoTo Connect phone number, so it authorizes me to send text messages. So if I add a new lead, I put in I just got a text message. So there, it automatically went out using that workflow, and it's part of the widget as well, so we could see it. It's part of the related module, so we have record of it, and it happened on our workflow that we just created. So there it is, and we could also take a look at it here. That's what happened. This was created. That's about it. We have signals coming in, so we know texts are happening to that lead. And that's it. Any questions? Let us know.